Hi! In this tutorial, I will show you how to change the survey settings. The first option is to rename the survey. Simply click on the name, change it to what you want, and click Save. Next we have Email to Contact Person. Enter the email address to the contact person of the survey. Here is a setting for survey language. Choose your preferred language in the drop-down and click Save. English will now be your default language. With survey category, you can easily move your survey to another folder, for example HR. Click on Go to List Management to create respondent lists with background data. Here, you can change the design of the survey. Choose between Netigate's templates, or maybe one of your own customized templates. Under Multilanguage settings, you can add translations to your survey to make it possible for the respondents to answer the survey in different languages. Under Other settings, you have many different options, such as anonymizing the result or changing the start and end date for your survey. To learn more about respondent lists, design templates, multi-language settings, and other settings, please watch our other tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you again soon!